Hi, it's Dr. Laura here. Your future self lives in today's calendar. Not only in your plans, intentions, or vision for who you want to become, in the time you actually protect. Recovery rarely happens by accident. If every open space in your calendar becomes yet another obligation, your body keeps receiving the message that repair just doesn't get to happen. So, choose one place in your real calendar for something restorative. An early bedtime, a quiet meal, a walk, 10 unclaimed minutes, a clear stopping point. It doesn't have to look impressive. It only needs to be real and then repeated. Self-care becomes part of your life when it's given time, not just good intentions. Build a life your body can continue to live in. Just saying. Thank you and namaste.